With all the challenges that singers face on a daily basis, it's great to know that sometimes the solution to a vocal challenge can be so simple and effective. Today's vocal tip comes directly from one of my clients. She's a semi-professional singer who performs regularly with her band. Her testimony affirms that there's more to vocal training than exercise and how sometimes getting results is so simple. Meet Libby, Libby the Rockstar, who shared with me during a recent online session the power of hydration.
You know, the week before that we had our little meeting there, that was invaluable to me for my gig. It was the best gig I've ever had. The best advice that you gave me leading up to it was just, it's just, it's amazing.
Well, I appreciate that, and I'm glad it's working. It'd be terrible if it wasn't. You know that advice you gave me? It doesn't really work.
No, actually it does. Everything you do for me is like, it's true. It's all good stuff. It's amazing.
That's fantastic.
Night and day difference. And I was just coming off my cold too, so I still had a bit of a cold, but that water was like, it was like nothing else, I'm telling you. And it just happened to be on the day that I was going to jam with my band that night. And so I drank like six glasses of water, and I went to my meeting and everybody's like, that's the best you've ever sang those notes. And I went, oh my gosh, it was just like so easy, and I just really didn't realize how important that is.
That's a really good testament to the power of hydration for singers.
Yeah, it's unbelievable actually, and it was amazing. So now I'm
coming from this woman who's married to a doctor.
I know, right? But it's hard to drink water. Plain water doesn't taste good to me. So I now make a jug up, and I put cucumber slices, oranges, and lemons, and then I refill that jug for like 3 days, and I drink out of it. And because it tastes good,
you drink it.
I drink it. But what a difference, like it night and day. So
you know what to do. Drink the water, build a healthy voice, sing for yourself.